The Attorney General will act on the long-awaited forensic audit findings after Cabinet approved the report in their meeting last week. Prime Minister Aulia Malietoli Watepola Saivafosi Schmidt confirmed that the Cabinet's directive has been given to the Attorney General to act on the report and its findings. The forensic audit is one of the first government initiatives when its first administration took over in July 2021, and the New Zealand Auditing Company BDO was contracted to conduct an independent forensic audit of a number of identified government projects. BDO started their investigation and auditing on 13 of the 25 government projects listed for the forensic audit. When the current government took office, the report was referred to a cabinet subcommittee headed by the Minister of Revenue, Baunga Te Amatavui Talalele Baunga, who is an auditor himself, for review. The committee noted some major issues in the report that included the absence of receipts and documentation of expenditure of project funds, lack of clarity of personnel who led the projects under investigation, and the lack of incomplete evidence such as Cabinet's papers and Cabinet's decisions of specific projects under investigation. With Cabinet's endorsements, it is now up to the Attorney General to act on the report and its findings. For more details on this and other of our stories, visit our news website on talamore.com. This is Chini Pinehuro of Talamore Media.